Go, kitty.
Oh, God. Oh, really?
She's so scared, dude. You're not letting her focus.
Sorry, kitty.
She's not eating him up like she was.
Ladies, read this book. It's a good book. I promise. Don't give your 100% to a man. Give 50 or 25%. If they ask you for food, say, bitch, I'm giving you popcorn. And make them popcorn. Okay?
Damn, scaring the cat.
Sorry, kitty. Kitty. My kitty. My kitty. I love my kitty. I love my kitty. I love my kitty. You're my kitty. My kitty.
She's like, what the hell? I mean, is it a he or a girl?
It's a he. This is Rhonda, my cow. No, Rhonda stays here.
Rhonda? Her name's Rhonda? Why Rhonda?
Because she's fat and looks like a Rhonda. And this is... He doesn't have a name.
You should call him Monkey.
But he's my sock monkey.
So, Sunky.
He was made in the 8th grade. And now my cat's eating my dog out.
Oh, yeah. And they're watching?
Rhonda and Monkey are watching this perfect.
Oh my gosh, have you seen Gossip Girl?
Here, pause it.